Okay, today I'm going to show you how to program the HomeLink system in a 2018 Macan, which is an awesome car. Yeah, just kidding around here. Well, not really kidding because it is an awesome car. Okay, first thing you do is you want to clear any old codes. So to clear the old codes, put your finger on the 1 dash and the 3 dash. Okay, then hold it down. That light's gonna come on. Okay. Now while you're doing this, you have to have the key in the on position. The car does not and should not be on. It should be off. And for this next part, you can't have your blinkers on, and the car should be in the on position. You see the car's in the on position, so all the lights are on. So then the next step is we're going to go ahead and program this. So I have a rolling code, so it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to go through the whole programming of it. So we're going to go ahead and push. I want it on the first one, so I'm going to press this button. Okay, so that button's blinking. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your original remote control. In this case, it's a Genie. Got this one marked blue because I'm going to do 2 of them. A blue and a green. So I'm going to come around here. Green's going to be for the other car. My baby. Why is there no focus on this? I don't know. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to hold this down. You're going to hear the garage go when I do this. And we're going to wait for the blinkers of the car to go. Just hold it. There it goes. You see the blinker go? That means it's been programmed into the system. I'm opening the garage door back up, because for the next part, you have to have the garage door open, because what I'm going to do is go to the garage door opener. This is a rolling code, so this is a Genie Pro screwdriver, and I'm going to get up here to the learn button. Most learn buttons are either inside, so I have this shield. See, I've taken that shield off. Most are on the inside like this. Some are on the outside, are easier to get to, so you have to remove that. So I'm going to push this button until that light comes on. You can see it blinking barely because the light's pretty bright, but it is blinking. So you got 30 seconds for this next part. So now go back to the car. Okay. Select the one that you want it programmed. You're going to hit it. Sorry, I'm going to hit it once. Trying to do that. Light's going to go. You're going to hit it again. Light's going to go, and on the third time, it should operate, but it's not. I don't know why. Because it's being a little bitch. These things are a pain in the ass sometimes. All right, we're gonna have to try it again. Okay, so we go back. Sometimes this happens, you gotta do it more than once. This happened to me before. Okay, so hit the learn button. It's definitely blinking. We're going to go back. It seems like every time I take a video of this it won't work, but when I do it, otherwise it works perfectly. Hit that button. Hit it again. And hit it again. There it goes. You can see the door going down. And now, hit it again. It's going back up. Okay, so just to review it, what I did is I cleared it by hitting the 2 buttons at the same time. Then that light will flash. You hold those for 20 seconds. Then you hit it once. Take your remote control around to the top of the car, or the front of the car. Hit it until the blinkers go. Then if you have a rolling, you have to go and hit your learn button, and then come back and hit the button that you want again 3 times. So that picks up the rolling code. It can be a little tricky. Almost every time it's taken me a couple times to do it before it gets it. I don't know why. I hope this helps you out. This is again a 2018 Macan I did this with.